to our brief video tutorial using MultiCharts .NET. We're going to create a continuous contract. With rollover approaching, a lot of traders want to see what the market has done outside of just the recent contract months. So there's a feature here that allows you to create a continuous contract, and with the CQG data feed allows you to actually go back and get 10 years worth of data. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to show you how to set that up. First thing you want to do is you're going to go File, New, and we're going to drop down the QuoteManager window. I'm going to let that go ahead and open up. Okay. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Instruments, and we want to add a symbol. Okay, so we're going to add a symbol. Make sure you go to Add from Data Source. Make sure it's CQG, and make sure you click on Future, not Index. Okay, so for that feature, we want the E-mini S&P. For instance, we're going to go ahead and hit Lookup. It's going to give us all the contracts going back to 2005. Highlight the first one and go Control-A to select the entire list. And we're going to add that entire list. It shows 87 instruments have been added. We're going to go ahead and click OK on that. And then close out the window. Next thing you want to do is go back to Instruments. And this time we're going to add Custom Futures. Okay, make sure the data source is CQG. We're going to give our contract a name. In this case, we're going to go EP with 3 hashtags and a number 1. So that way we know it's our continuous contract. Next thing, this is key, make sure for the symbol root that you drop down and assign EP as the symbol root. Also, you'll see that March, June, September, and December are check marked for this continuous contract. And we're going to go ahead and hit Apply, and then OK. And now we're going to go ahead and close out the QuoteManager. So now we're going to go, let's open a new workspace. We're going to go File, New, and we're going to go to Workspace. In this workspace, we're going to right-click on it, and we're going to rename it that one. We're going to rename it, let's go back here for a second. We're going to rename it EP hashtag 1, so we know that's our continuous contracts. Next thing, File, New, Chart window. Give the charts a chance to load up here. Alright, now we're going to go Format Instrument. Let's go and find our contract. We're going to go EP. You can see it right there at the top, hashtag 1. Highlight it. Go to Settings. Let's make sure we've got a 1-day resolution going back. And we want 3,650 days going back. You can change this from bars back to days back. So 3,650 days is 10 years back. On a 1-day resolution, we're going to go ahead and click OK on that. Give the chart a chance to load up. We can see the chart data starting to come in, and you can tell that the 10 years worth of data by looking at the scroll bar on the bottom. As it shortens, that's more data being added and being backfilled. So if we go here, you can see already we're at 2011, and this chart is continuing to load for us. And that is a step-by-step on how to load a continuous contract. If you have any questions, email us, support@ampfutures.com. Visit our website, www.ampfutures.com. Also, you can view this video on our YouTube, ampfutures.com on YouTube. Thanks for your attention and happy trading.